Hello and welcome back to another episode of Home Ec with Julie Geck. I, of course, am Julie Geck, back with you today. I have some great cleaning inspiration going on today. I decided to tackle the bathroom, which I hate cleaning, and I try to do it like once a week, but let's be honest, it happens like once a month. So anyways, we're gonna tackle the bathroom and then just some general like kitchen cleanup, unloading, loading the dishwasher, wiping down the counters. And then I also decided to clean out our like linen closet. It's basically where I store all of my extra products, like all my extra cleaning stuff, extra paper towels, extra toilet paper, the mops, everything like that. So it all just kind of gets shoved into this closet. And so I decided to take everything out and clean it out, wipe down the shelves, and just kind of organize it and make it not so chaotic. So you're gonna spot a few little guest stars in the video today. Minnie helps me clean the bathroom, and Chance helps me clean out the linen closet and clean up in the kitchen. And I want to play a game with everybody that's watching. And I want you to count how many items Chance steals in this video, because I have my count, but I probably missed quite a few because he is a thief. He steals anything and everything that he possibly can. He steals socks, he steals hats, he steals shoes, he steals paper towels. I mean, literally anything that he can get his mouth on, he steals it. So when I'm cleaning out the linen closet, keep an eye out for that. And speaking of Chance, it was his birthday yesterday. So we did a little celebration with him last night, and so wait till the end of the video and you can check out that footage of him getting his birthday cake and ice cream. And he got new toys, and him and Minnie got new Christmas collars to wear. And I'm also wearing my Christmas attire and my Christmas bracelets. I'm ready, you guys. I'm ready for Christmas. Jeff told me I can't decorate for Christmas until after Thanksgiving. And I was like, okay, that's fine. We'll see. And then someone in our neighborhood has their front yard all decked out in Christmas stuff. And so he saw them last night and he was like, we gotta decorate. It's a competition now. We gotta beat them. So Christmas decorations are happening this week. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is a very casual video for this channel. I just decided to do a little deep clean and turn on the camera and document it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I have a ton of really fun videos planned for the whole month of November and December. So make sure you guys like and subscribe so you never miss a Home Ec with Julie Geck video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next week. Bye.
Decorated in town, among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have no the ground up. A beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or far, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. Girl, I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas, the merriest Christmas of all.
Christmas Day. cheer. Very Merry Christmas is a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas without old tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Very Merry Christmas, all we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas, I keep so near. Every light, every soul from every friend that comes along. Very Merry Christmas to you.